Hello, international students, and welcome to Kansas State University from the International Student and Scholar Services. I'm Boglarka Davies, one of your international student advisors. First, let me introduce you to our office. Our director is Sarah Thurston, our associate director is Maria Beebe, and our other associate director is Stacy Bailey. Like I mentioned before, I'm one of your advisors, Boglarka Davies, and our other advisor is David Hebing. We are also in the process of hiring more advisors, so stay tuned. Our office specialist is Jasmine Tuitt, and our graduate assistant is Lamia Achella. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the arrival checklist, and these are the steps that you need to take once you arrive to the US. If you have an English language program hold, check in with EAP to take the WhatGet English Proficiency Test. To check in with EAP, please send them an email to eap@ksu.edu or stop by their office, which is located in 205 Fairchild Hall. If you're unsure if you need to take this test, EAP will be able to assist you. If you are a new graduate student who will be a graduate teaching assistant, you will need to take the speak test. To request a speak test, please fill out the registration form on the EAP office's website. You can contact the EAP office with any questions at 785-532-7324, or you can email them at eap@ksu.edu. You will need to get your K-State ID card. You can go on the kstate.edu website and click on Cases. To log in, use your EID and password. You will see a to-do list on the right side of your screen, and ID card procedures should be on your list. You will need your admissions letter, your I-20 or DS-2019, your passport to request an ID card. The cost of the card is $25. You'll be notified when your ID card is ready to be picked up. The ID Center is located in the K-State Student Union. You are required to maintain a foreign residence while you are in the US. To update this permanent address, please email isss@ksu.edu. You're also required to have a valid home or US local address at any time. This home address is where you're physically living. Any changes of address must be updated within 10 days of the change through your Cases account. You can go to the kstate.edu website and click on Cases. Use your EID and password to log in. J-1 visa holders also need to notify ISSS via email when the update has been made in Cases. You can send an email to isss@ksu.edu. You should register your address anytime you move with the post office. This will help ensure your mail is delivered to you. To register your address, you will need to fill out an address card. These address cards are available at the ISSS office or at Central Mail Services at Dykstra Hall, room 127. The Student Director of Off-Campus Housing Support located in 201 Holton Hall. You can see their contact below. These are free services provided regarding information about the rights and responsibilities of the tenants and landlords. So if you ever have any trouble with your contract and you need someone to help you maybe read it, or you have an issue with your landlord or roommates, you can always seek for help from this office. Health insurance is required for all international students. You will see a charge for health insurance on your tuition and bill once you have enrolled in classes. If you have alternative qualifying coverage, you must complete and submit the health insurance waiver form prior to the waiver deadline, which is January 31st. You will be emailed instructions from a company called ECI. If the waiver is approved, the charges will be removed from your student account. Students must submit the waiver every semester they are enrolled at K-State. United Healthcare spring coverage dates are from January 1st through May 31st. You can visit the K-State-ISSS website for more information about health insurance. If you are a graduate student who has a qualifying assistantship, you must enroll directly with United Healthcare. You can go to the K-State HCS benefits website for the enrollment form and deadline information. Once ISSS confirms enrollment and payment for the GTA, GRA, or GA plan, the fee will be removed from your CASES student account. There are some health requirements that the university mandates that you need to fulfill. Please complete the university health requirements by visiting Lafayette Health Center's website, and you can log into the My Lafayette Plus patient portal and select medical clearances. Once there, complete the TB questionnaire and upload a picture of your immunization record. All students are required to complete the TB questionnaire. TB testing may be necessary, and maybe 2 MMR vaccines as well. If you plan to live in university housing, you are required to have some other vaccinations. Once you have completed the TB questionnaire, plan to visit Lafayette Health Center. If you arrive prior to the week of orientation, you can visit Lafayette Health Center from 8:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. Monday through Friday. There will also be a designated time during orientation week, which will be Friday, January 12, from 8:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. If you have completed this requirement prior to this day, then you no longer have to attend that Friday. If you miss the above dates, you need to call Lafayette Health Center to schedule a time with a nurse to complete your screening. Their phone number is 785-532-6544. If you're unable to call, please send them a message to your patient portal. Lab testing completed outside the U.S. for TB or MMR will not be accepted. Please note that Lafayette Health Center will be closed December 25th through January 1st and also on January 10th. What do you have to know about health insurance and your TB test? You will not be required to pay for the TB test the day it is taken. If the test is covered by your insurance provider, you will not have any additional cost. If you choose to purchase a health insurance plan other than the United Healthcare plan, be certain to verify your plan will cover the cost of the TB test. For your plan to cover the cost of the TB test, your coverage must be effective on the date you take that TB test. All insurance policies are different in their coverage, the cost, and the percentage of your medical cost that will be reimbursed. ISSS recommends United Healthcare Insurance because we know that it meets all the requirements. If you have not enrolled for classes yet, and you are an undergraduate or EAP-only student, please connect with the Office of Recruitment and Admissions. You can either call them or email them. Their phone number is 785-532-1521 or email them at events@ksu.edu. Graduate students must first contact graduate school by sending them an email at intladmt@ksu.edu, and then they need to connect with their major professor. If you'll be working, you must have a Social Security number. Do not submit your application to the Social Security Administration until you verify with ISSS you have all the necessary documentation. In order for ISSS to verify, you must be enrolled in a full course of study. You have to enter your address in CASES, and you have to submit the verification of employment letter via email to ISSS@ksu.edu. Be sure that letter is on department letterhead, signed by your department, and your name matches your passport. Failure to follow this procedure could cause significant delays in the issuance of your Social Security number and your hiring process. Additionally, you also have to be in the country for 10 days before you can apply with the Social Security office. So be sure to follow this step for a smooth process. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about the ATA bus. K-State and the ATA bus partner together to provide free public transportation to students, faculty and staff on K-State campus. K-State buses have a route around campus. They operate 7 a.m. to 7:15 p.m. Monday through Friday. If you wait at a designated bus stop, a bus should come by 15 minutes. You will need to have your Wildcat ID upon boarding. K-State buses do not operate when school is not in session. ATA Bus also provides Manhattan shuttle routes that operate all year round. The Manhattan routes will cost an additional fee to use. Some students may qualify for a half-fare program to reduce those fees. Check our research page for more information and the necessary steps you have to take in order to be able to receive a half-fare fee. You can get more information on the website for ATA Bus at fhata.org. You can also download the Transit mobile app to get accurate arrival times and map-based vehicle locations on your ATA bus. Next, I'd like to talk to you about the International Student Orientation. You are required to participate in the new International Student Orientation. You will first receive an email invitation from K-State Canvas to participate in the orientation course. Please review all videos in the modules to complete this requirement. A hold will be placed on your student account in cases for failure to complete this requirement. Once you've completed this course, you are also required to attend the ISSS in-person orientation starting Monday, January 8th at 8 a.m. in Umberger Hall, room 105. You can visit our orientation website for a full ISSS orientation schedule. We also have some online orientation resource links that could be really helpful for you, such as how to get your driver's license, more information on Social Security, campus safety, transportation within Manhattan, international student associations, information regarding bicycles, and much more. And finally, I would like to give you a warm welcome to Kansas State University. Your next step will be to complete the online orientation Canvas course, and we'll see you on January 8th at the in-person orientation. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us if you have any questions. The best way to communicate with ISSS is to send us an email. Our email address is isss@ksu.edu. Thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.